winter storm, Syracuse, New York, 2023, March. This is what it looks like. I posted a short earlier today, and we had about 6 inches. Very pretty. Good skiing. Let the snow fly. That's what the skiers say, right? So anyway, this is how many inches we have. It predicted 1.5 inches per hour. So that's what it's been doing all day. Let's take a look and see what we got. We got this. Yep. So here we are. 11. We got 11. There you go. So that's our snow fall. And it's going to snow about another foot tonight. So we'll have about 3 inches or 3 feet total. There it is. The update.